Hey there, I'm Yuna Estrella, and today I'll teach you how to send and receive raids on YouTube. To enable your YouTube channel to receive raids, you must go to your YouTube Studio page and go to Settings. Then go to the Community tab and scroll down to the Live Redirects section. There are three options you have for receiving raids. You can receive raids from anyone, or you can receive raids from the channels that you are subscribed to. Additionally, you can receive raids only from other streamers that you have put on an approved list. If you want to receive raids from anyone, check the box that says all channels can redirect to my content. If you want to receive raids from channels that you are subscribed to, check channels I subscribe to can redirect to my content. Please note that you need to have your subscribed channels list public if you want to use this option. Lastly, if you want to receive a raid only from specified users, you can add them to a list by adding their channel URL to the box saying specific channels who can redirect to my content. In order to raid others at the end of a stream, you must open the Go Live section that you use when setting up or starting a live stream. You can find this in your YouTube Studio and on the YouTube main page. Go to your stream settings and click Edit in the upper right-hand corner. Then go to the Customization tab and scroll down to the redirect area and click Add. You can either add your own video to redirect to, or you can redirect to another streamer's video, as long as they allow you to raid them. These streams must be scheduled streams, currently live, or a premiere. Click Search Videos from Other Channels. You can then choose a channel that is either live, has a scheduled stream, or is a premiere. You can edit who you redirect to as long as you have not ended the stream already. Click Save and then you are set. Once you have saved, when you end your stream, your viewers will be given an option to go to the channel that you have raided. And that's how you raid. If you like this video, please subscribe and give this a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Good luck!